sometimes two consonants that are the same together, like an LL or an FF or a TT, they're called double consonants, or in our Saxon phonics, they call them twin consonants. Okay, so we're going to be coding words today. Okay, and the one thing we're going to be looking for, as in addition to coding with a breve for our short vowel sounds, we are also going to be looking for twin consonants. Okay, so this is a page that you're going to write your name at the top, first name and last name if you can. Okay, I'm going to start mine right here. You go ahead and write yours. Okay. Write as much of your last name as you can if you can't write all of it, okay? It's helpful for me to see how you're progressing on that. Okay, if you need more time, pause the video, and then you're going to continue and join us on this lesson. Okay, so the first word we're going to sound out here, okay, is k, it, kit, kit. Okay, how are we going to code that? We code the short vowel sound I with a breve because it's followed by a consonant. Okay. Number 2, k, is, kiss. Okay. So the second S is kind of there to tell us that we're going to pronounce that sound and that this is going to be short. Okay. So you need to cross out that second S. That's how we code our twin consonants. And then put the breve over the I for the short I sound. The next word, s, I, il, ill, sill, sill. Okay, that's like a windowsill, right? So cross out the second L, since it's a twin consonant, and go ahead and code above the I with a breve. Okay. Let's read the next word. Sound it out. S, I, il, silk, silk. So silk is something that worms make, and then they use it. It's a very strong thread that they use to make, for instance, parachutes. Okay, it's a very soft fabric. They use it on the saris that we saw for our Diwali celebration last week. Let's go ahead and just code that I, the short I sound, with a breve. The next one, let's sound that out, number 5. Ask, 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 ask. So you can ask a question, right? Let's go ahead and code the short A sound with a breve. Okay, and let's look at the next word. Ask, ask, task. That is the word task. So a task could be something that you do that's part of a chore. A task can be to finish your homework. Okay. A task can be to take out the trash, something like that. Okay. So short A sound, so we code that with a breve. Here's a word that rhymes with task and ask up here. Let's go to number 7. Ask, ask, mask. Mask. A mask is something that Zero the hero wears, right? Superheroes can wear them. You can wear them on Halloween or when you go to costume parties. Let's code that short A sound with a breve. Okay, now we're moving to a new set of words. This is the short I sound in the middle. Ilk, ilk, milk, milk. Milk is that white substance that you might have on your cereal. Okay, so let's code the short I sound right there. Let's go to the next word, number 9. Sk, I, o. Ill, kill, sk, ill, skill. Skill. A skill is like what we're doing right now. A skill is learning how to code your phonics. Okay, so we are going to put the breve right there. And then, did you do the other thing that you need to do? We have twin consonants, 2 L's. So go ahead and put a slanted line crossing out that second one, okay? Let's go to number 10. Sk, ip, skip, skip. Okay, skip, that's the word skip. So skip is an action that you can do, kind of in between walking and running is skipping. Or you can skip something, like if I said, can you skip your homework today? Okay, that means you would not do it. So here's the short I sound, I, so we're going to code that with a brief. Let's go to the next one. We have the same blend at the beginning, the sk. So sk, in, skin. Skin is what covers our body. It covers sharks. Sharks have skin. A lot of creatures have skin that covers and protects their body. Let's code that short I with a brief. And then the last one, we're going to read one of our high frequency words here, from. And from is a word you're going to be seeing a lot, especially if you're making Valentines, because the from is where you write your name next to it, right? So everybody knows, all your friends know which Valentines are from you. Okay, we're going to go ahead and give ourselves an exit ticket right here. We finished this page. Thank you for helping me code your words today, your phonics words, boys and girls.